Hi, second grade. We have been reading Henry and Mudge all week. Today we are going to draw Mudge. And then we're going to think about words, adjectives that describe him. So right now, get a piece of paper and a pencil and you're going to follow along with me step by step how to draw Mudge. Okay, so I have my paper this way, which is called horizontal, just so it's easier for you to see in the video. But if you want to turn yours and have yours vertical, that's fine. And I'm going to be using a black pen just so you can see in the video. I want you guys to use a pencil so that way you can erase anything. All right, so let's start by putting the date in one of the bottom corners. 9/4/20. And now we're going to start with the shape of Mudge's face. And you can make it decent size, but you do need some space at the top for his ears. So you're going to start with kind of like a square shape, but I'm just rounding the corners. Or it's kind of like a rectangle. So those corners are rounded and those are more pointed, and that's okay because this is art and everyone's will look different and it's going to look a little different for Mudge. We just try our best and have fun. Next, we're going to create his big floppy ears. So you're going to find the center with your other hand that you're not writing with. And on one side of your finger, you're going to go up, over, and then down. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Up, over, down. Okay, we need to connect this. Put your finger back in the middle. And you're going to connect it. Just try your best. Mudge's ears don't look the same on both sides. Next, we're going to draw his mouth part. So we're going to, in the middle, draw like a tiny little V. Kind of more like, mine's kind of more like a U actually. And then it's going to go straight on both sides. And then you're going to take it down on both sides. Curve it in on the bottom on both sides. And then go up to make like a point. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Now we're going to add his eyes, and you can make them as big or small as you want. So you go up, kind of make it upside down U. And I'm making his really close together. You can draw the inside of the eye. And notice how mine aren't perfectly shaped the same. That's okay. Art doesn't have to be perfect. We have fun with it. Now we're going to draw his nose right here. Kind of looks like a heart. I'm going to shade it in so you can try to start seeing it. And now we're going to draw his tongue. Remember, he drools a lot. So a little U underneath right here. Draw a line going up for the middle of his tongue. And then let's add a collar because he doesn't want to get lost again. And then his little name tag, I'm just going to put a big M for Mudge. So now you have Mudge. You can add more if you like. Maybe you want to give him accessories, or maybe you want to change up his ears. You use pencil, so you can erase. I can't erase. So you can change it up, make it unique. But before you color, you're going to think of adjectives, words that describe Mudge. So for example, loving. Mudge was very loving towards Henry. Does this remind you of anything we did the first week? The first week you made your masked selfie art. You thought of words that described you and you put them all around your picture. You're doing the same thing, but with Mudge. You're thinking about words that describe Mudge. So if you were to tell someone about this book that you read and about this character, what would you tell them? You would say Mudge is loving. Mudge is, what else? Write some words around, color, and then take a picture and turn this in on Seesaw. I can't wait to see all of your beautiful, unique creations.